Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to split fields in Microsoft Access. This is a great way to separate your database into two parts, making it easier to manage and share data across multiple users while keeping the backend secure. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and load into your database. Give it a moment to fully load, as depending on the size of your database, this might take a few seconds. You want to make sure everything is properly loaded before proceeding with any changes. Once the software has loaded along with your data, it's time to begin the splitting process. Look at the top part of your screen and click on the Database Tools tab. This is where all your database management tools are located, and it's the control center for more advanced operations like the one we're about to perform. From here, look for the Access Database section and click on it. This area contains several important database utilities that help you maintain and optimize your Access files. A small window will appear named Database Splitter. This is the tool you'll be using to split fields in your Microsoft Access database. The Database Splitter essentially divides your database into two separate files: a front end that contains forms, queries, and reports, and a back end that holds all your tables and data. This separation is particularly useful in multi-user environments. Now click on Split Database at the bottom of the window. This action initiates the splitting process. A File Explorer window will appear, and this is where you'll determine the location and name of your new backend database file. Simply select the location where you wish to save the split database by navigating through your computer's folders. You can choose any location that makes sense for your workflow, whether that's a shared network drive or a local folder. Once you've selected the appropriate location, click on Split at the bottom of the File Explorer window. Access will now process the split and create your backend database file. The original database becomes the front end, while the newly created file holds all your tables. This might take a moment depending on the size of your database, so be patient while the software completes the operation. And that's it. You've successfully split your Microsoft Access database, making it more efficient for collaborative work and easier to maintain. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.